Hi, my name is Muhammad Awais. I'm a software engineer working on Techuni, and this video is going to basically justify the sensitive scopes for AdWords that we're using in our application. First of all, a little bit about our application. So Techuni is going to be an education partner management system, which basically manages educational agency workflows from lead generation and acquisition all the way to lead nurturing, application submission, and staff management, all of those things. So it's a CRM application, right? And the the reason we need to integrate with Google is because we have a marketing module in our application, and that module allows allows users to orchestrate ads on different platforms from one place within the app, and also manage their existing ads and ad campaigns. So that is just a brief overview, and now I'm going to be going over the integration itself. Keep in mind, I'll also be providing credentials within the additional information section when I'm applying for verification. Uh, Let me log in. Okay, we've logged into the application. And the first thing to look at is the settings tab, where we have a platform connections menu. And here we can see the different platforms where we have an auth connection with, right? So we have a separate card for Google Ads, and I've already went ahead and made the whole OAuth 2 flow. Like I've gone through the whole OAuth 2 flow, and we have our connections with this integrations Techuni email, which is which belongs to the business, right? And we can view details about the auth connection. Here we can view permissions and the ad accounts related to the profile we made an auth connection with, right? So we have a test account here. Uh, okay, now coming to the main fact. One thing that needs to be kept in mind is if we choose to delete or disconnect from this account, any data that we store in our database regarding the OAuth connection, like access tokens, permissions, ad accounts, etc., all of that is deleted promptly. So we are taking care of that. Now, what we are using the auth connection for is basically in our marketing module, we have an ad campaign orchestrator. And first of all, we have a list view where we can view the different ad campaigns, ad groups, and ads for the account that we made an auth connection with, right? And this is intended for multiple platforms. So we are supporting Meta as well, and we'll be supporting TikTok in the future. But for now, it's Meta and Google, and then we can filter by account as well. The main thing here is, yeah, we're just able to see our existing ad campaigns. We can stop them here with this status button, and then we can edit them as well, right? And we can delete them from within the application. So that is what we're basically using it for. And we have this campaign orchestrator where we can go ahead and create new campaigns and add groups and ads uh, from within the application, right? And this whole um, orchestrator, this campaign builder, I've went ahead and gone into detail in the Google API, the Google Ads API prototype files, right? The dot prototype, the dot proto files, and I went ahead and made this entire spec based on those prototype files. So it follows all of the Google Ads documentation and conventions, of the API itself, right? We have this campaign section, and then we have an ad group section and a creative. One second. And a creative section, and all of these are dynamic and they change based on, let's say, the type of campaign we're creating. So if it's a search ad, we're gonna have a different ads group and a different creative tab, right? So it all changes dynamically and it's all inferred from the documentation and the prototype files. So I hope this is enough of a justification for the use of the auth slash adword scope, which is a sensitive scope, and I hope this is enough to get us verified. Thank you so much.